Bedrok is our first ever Plinth performance upgrade for Sondek LP12. With more than double the density of a standard LP12 Plinth, Bedrok is uniformly solid, heavy, and ultra-low resonance. It begins life as beech hardwood timber, which is then precisely sliced into thin sheets. In strictly controlled conditions, these are then bonded together in orthogonal layers, injected with phenolic resin, and densified under extreme pressure and heat to create an entirely new, solid, and massive material. Once the block has been compressed precisely to the correct thickness, an HPL-backed veneer is applied before moving on to CNC machining. Bedrok's profile, internal cutouts, and insert points are precision machined on a 3-axis CNC mill. Steel inserts are then located into these machined points, creating exceptionally stable, solid, and reliable mounting locations for the LP12 components. Finishing begins with careful sanding of all edges and surfaces carried out in 3 stages: 120, 180, and finally 240 grit. Much of this work is completed by hand, ensuring the highest quality surface finish. Once sanding is complete, a first coat of oil is applied. This is followed by a delicate hand sanding at 240 grit to remove any remaining imperfections. A second oil coat is then applied, sealing the surface and enhancing the natural character of the beech. Every Bedrok Plinth undergoes a rigorous quality inspection. Measurements are verified, fit is checked, and the finish is closely examined before the Plinth is approved for packing and shipment. The result of this engineered process is an ultra-dense wood with negligible resonance and superior acoustic isolation properties. Bedrok is a holistic upgrade which improves every aspect of your LP12. More pace, tighter bass, and deeper insight into your music.